blessed Monday, everyone. It's February 10, 2025, and it is indeed a wonderful Monday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at mga blessings na darating pa rin kasama mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges, which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and challenging. At siyempre, pasalamatan natin yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials at sa mga marites doon sa paligid natin, which inspires us to do more. Shoutout on kina Glenda, Glenn Snow, and Pucci, Margie Craig, Cecil Boris, Mama Lu, Luis and Sassy, GM Pangilinan, Mike Lumongo, Melody Acosta, Joey Moreno, and JJ Orehenes, kina Nimpa Pagsibigan, Angie Sarmiento, Migo Mayan, Elizabeth Guevara, Mabel Andres, Inday Araso, Aileen Agla, Eds Macalinaw, Winnie Claire B. Santiago, Ma'am Glydion, and siyempre sa lahat ng members ng the Order of the Nine Gates. Ripples of the day natin po is leaders, supervisors, or managers who lost the confidence of their subordinates become more of a liability than an asset. Ayun. Keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Monday, everyone.